Traditional car awnings are expensive. They raise the vehicle's height and create more wind noise while driving. For city SUVs or wagons with uneven roofs, it often looks awkward and out of place. To solve these problems, we designed the portable awning tent, AT200. It only takes 4 simple steps to set up. Step 1. Lay the tent flat, then insert the 2 foldable aluminum poles into the top sleeves. Step 2. Attach our specially designed suction mount to the car roof or side. This suction cup has a built-in air pump, giving it powerful suction, strong enough to hold steady even in winds over level 10. Then, clip the back of the tent to the mount using the carabiners. Step 3. Assemble the 2 thicker front poles. Insert them into the metal rings at the front of the tent and tighten the locking knobs. Finally, adjust the guy lines and secure the stakes around the tent, and the setup is complete. The tent covers an area of 2 by 2.5 meters with an interior height of up to 2.4 meters. Compared to traditional flat-top awnings, this arch design feels more open, airy, and comfortable. All 4 sides are covered with fine mesh, creating a sealed space that keeps mosquitoes and insects out. Front and rear doors make it easy to enter and exit, and convenient to reach items inside your vehicle. The canopy poles are adjustable, 1.8 meters or 1.6 meters, making the AT200 compatible with sedans, SUVs, pickups, and vans over 1.6 meters tall. Zippers along the upper edge let you attach optional side panels for extra protection from wind, sunlight, or to add more privacy. When not in use, the AT200 folds down compactly, so you can easily store it right in your trunk. It's easy to set up, insect-proof, expandable, and fits almost any vehicle. Enjoy your outdoor life with the AT200 portable awning tent.